Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Martin CA. In this video I'm going to show us how to claim your Pancake Diamond Airdrop. So without wasting much time, I want to encourage us, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please deem it free to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that I get notified each time I upload fresh content. Don't forget to share with your friends, your loved ones, tell them about these airdrops. Let them keep accumulating. Let them not get tired of accumulating airdrops, because you never can tell which of the airdrop that is going to make you a millionaire. So guys, without wasting much time, let's go straight to the airdrop. So the things you need to get started: you need your Trust wallet. If you have not downloaded it, go to Apple Store or go to Google Play Store to get your app. So, and also you will need some few BNB. You need some few BNB, for transaction fee, and also you need an internet connection or internet enabled phone. So all you need to do, open your Trust wallet. Just as I've opened mine, go to DApp. Under DApp, you open the Pancake Diamond website. I'm going to drop the link to the website, for you to claim your airdrop. So when you open it, this is how it's going to look like: Pancake Diamond Swap. We have farming and all that, so we're not interested in the farming for now. Maybe subsequently I will do a other video as regards staking and farming and all that. So but all you're going to do now is come to this dot by your left hand side, click on it, and it will expand. Click on airdrop. You see you have airdrop, farming, staking, lending, gamification, NFT, white paper, and the rest of them, Telegram and all that. So we're going to go straight to airdrop. Click on airdrop. You see get referral claim. We'll click on claim. So the page will load up. You see remaining 28 days, 23 hours remaining before the end of the Pancake Diamond Airdrop. So look at it. You click on claim airdrop. You can buy this if you want to buy, but I'm not a financial advisor, so deem it free to do your research and do diligent research before you go in or you decide to buy. And also I would advise to buy the amount of token you can afford to lose, in the worst case scenario. So guys, without wasting much time, you see invite your friends to claim and receive 70% bonus plus 0.0015 BNB. So sales price 0.01 BNB to 40,000 CakeD. Minimum buy is 0.01, maximum buy is 20 BNB. Listing on Pancake Swap on the 15th of September. So guys, all we're going to do, we're interested now is the airdrop. So click on claim. When you click on claim, it will load up to ask you to connect your to the Binance smart chain, for transaction fee and all that. So you click on approve. I'm going to approve this transaction. It's taking $1.46. So I click on approve. So once I click on approve, automatically this transaction will drop, and I will have my Pancake Diamond on my Trust wallet. But guys, Pancake Diamond is not on the Trust wallet by default, so we're going to add it custom, on the Trust wallet for it to reflect. So we'll click on airdrop again, click on referral link. So get a referral link. Get your referral link to aim Pancake Diamond for every person referred. Enter wallet address. So before we do that, we're going to go straight and let's go and get the referral link, the contract address. So I'm going to show you how to get it if it's not on their website. So just go straight to the browser. So I'm going to search for CakeD contract address. So you see on Binance chain is there Pancake Diamond. We click on it. Say token Pancake Diamond. So we'll scroll, you see contract address for Pancake Diamond. Click on copy. So we'll go back to our Trust wallet. So before we come back to this place, we're going to go back to our wallet and add this CakeD by custom. Click on add custom token, change this network to smart chain, click on paste. You see Pancake Diamond, CakeD, decimal 18. Click on done, and once you click on done, don't change any other thing. Wait a little, you see we have 500 CakeD. 500 CakeD. So we'll come here, click on receive, click on copy. So we've copied CakeD address. So going back to the DApp to get our referral link. So I'm going to open it up, go back to this, click on airdrop, click on get referral link. Once you load, it says enter wallet address. So we're going to paste our wallet address here, the CakeD wallet address. So click on generate. So it has generated our unique referral link. So click on copy, referral link, copy successfully. So that is it. So guys, this is the link you're going to share to your friends, your loved ones, your contact. So once they click on this link and get registered, you get 70% bonus of CakeD for each referral. So guys, that is it for this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do me free to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon so that I get notified each time I upload fresh content. Please give us a like and also drop your comment if you find it difficult. I will be there to put it through. Thank you so guys for the honest reviews. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for trusting on us. Thank you. We all at Pima Technology also thank you. Very soon we'll be doing a big giveaway for our loyal subscribers, so always encourage your friends and also make sure you continue to subscribe and watch our video from the beginning to the end, and we encourage you for that. We also will appreciate you for that. Thank you so much. Bye for now. God bless you.